Ki Samla pulia ki beron ka Jingiakhih halor ka Jinglai tu ki Jingkali man Khubor kila ai ka Kyrshan ye ka Jingiakhih bala penlong de ka cockroach Jantar party ha Jantar Mantar Delhi bandawa hier shukino ye umintri ka puli puthi jong ka sarkar India. Kila dawaru ban ngor halor ka Jinglai tu ki Jingkali National Eligibility Entrance Test lani ka NEET exam bat kiwi ki exam hakikar dan bahe. Nakaliang ki Samla ki lapelong ka Jingiakhih da ka bara plakat laim kra police beat house ban Kyrshan ki Samla ki Jingiakhih ha Jantar Mantar. Kini ki Samla ki lara ki plakat ki lapenrem nik sarkar India ka bala thom da Khubor bullet ban bom batti lathi ki Samla. Ki Khynnah arit ru ki lami perthai ban persha e ka jingle jong ka sarkar India ha Jantar Mantar.
थकी थकी कदम घड़ी घड़ी शुमार कदे कदर बखनों हले कदे कदर बका अखनी दे बकनी दे बतुर कुमम यलम कालिया करते हैं जो उनका सोच का तुम निडर हो तुम इनों पर का की गांव खिलों बारो चिकन द पेट सो बजिंग नो उदे
Purpose of coming here?
I came all the way from Riboy because I love my country, but I love the free country more. I love free India more, so we want justice to whatever happened in Delhi, and whatever they did to Delhi, the aggression and everything was such a disgrace to democracy and a disgrace to the constitution. So please, if you're listening, please resign Crow and give us justice. Thank you.
And as we have seen that the police there in Delhi, they have been using force against the students. So what do you say on that?
The fact that they were very like they were so abusive towards the protest. That was like didn't that breach the article 19.1, I believe 19.1 ABC, where the people of India have freedom to speech, freedom to protest, freedom to forming union. Isn't that a breach? Why? First of all, why are you pointing gun at children? Why are you pointing gun at us? What are we gonna do? We're not gonna even do anything towards you. We didn't have anything. We came here. All the students back there, they all went in peace. We want a peaceful resignation, peaceful fight for justice. But then they were welcome with guns. They were welcome with tear bombs and lathis. I don't get how justified is that. So please fix this because our country right now it needs saving, and definitely out of these imbeciles.
So as a youth from Meghalaya, what message do you want to convey?
To Meghalaya, please speak up. Your World Cup is over. Your World Cup can wait. You can celebrate both at a time. Congratulations, Spain won. You can celebrate as Spain won. Argentina lost. You can also speak up for your country. And there's nothing stopping you. Please speak up while your voice is still there until there isn't.
Regarding the protest that you've come here today, so what's your view?
My view on the protest is that a student's life is not a video game. We do not have many lives to live. Once a life is gone, it's gone. If you continuously have people leaks, then you might as well tell us how much hard work are we supposed to do, because these people leaks are happening because you've already MLA's son or daughter is already planned out a seat in university. Why are we working hard if you already have given the seats to others? Why are we supposed to continuously prepare ourselves for the exam over and over again if we already know we're not going to pass in it? So why? I want to question that. Why?
So we have seen that the police have been using force against the students who have been protesting. So what's your view on that?
My view on that is the recent interview between when a reporter asked one of the female officer that why are their name tags not there, and she said garmi lagi thi. What does that even make sense? That once you're feeling hot, you remove the name tag? You are not allowed. As police officers, you work for the people. You're not supposed to work under somebody's order. You work for us. You work to protect us, not to beat us.
Okay. And as a youth from Meghalaya, what message do you want to convey?
To my friends who are protesting there right now. I support you guys wholeheartedly. We are here to support you because we know what's right.
Thank you.
That is absolutely non-democratic. Like police beating these students up brutally, using tear gas on them. They are not terrorists. They are just students. They are here to question the government, and it's a democratic right of every individual to question the government, right? I mean, and if they're getting beaten up because of that, I don't think it's right, and that is the reason you can see all the people over here, because everyone is standing up to them, and this basically gathering is to just let everyone know in Delhi that they're not in this together. They're not alone in this, right? We are in this together. Like people from different parts of the country, they are supporting them, including people from Shillong.
Thank you. Yes, if you can tell us regarding the.
Hello everyone, my name is Yashraj, and we as independent citizens of the country, we as parents, we as responsible citizens, we have just organized this peaceful gathering in order to stand with the students, the children who got beaten up brutally on 20th of July in Delhi, and the primary motto of this particular gathering is only to stand with them.
Okay.
So I've come here with my friends and my family. My mother is also here. We've come here to support what's happening in Delhi, and we're standing here in a peaceful gathering to give solidarity to the students, those who have also lost their lives because of the leaked papers, and those who have committed suicide. We are there. We've come here to support them and their families as well. And yeah, so basically we just want to show that we will practice our rights and demand from the government what we deserve, especially for us, the youths, who make the whole part of this country, majority part of this country.
Okay, so say on that.
Of course, that is not right, and that is, of course, on legal grounds, that is what is bad, and they are trying to put that on the students, which is wrong. They have come there, they were there just to do a peaceful protest and peaceful march, and the aggression that they have shown, many students have gotten admitted in the hospital, have been injured. I know some personal friends who've been lathi charged, and that is extremely wrong, and it should not be like that, of course. And I believe in the justice system, and I hope that they stand with the students and they do something about it. That we are with you, and that we are united as well, and we believe that we have the right for a better future.